This is a skyscraper puzzle box. The goal is to figure out how to open it up. On the bottom here you can see there are some circles with a triangle cutout in it. These pieces can all spin on the skyscraper. If we take this piece up here, you can see it is free spinning. If we try to move anything else right now, we can't get any movement from anything. To get the skyscraper puzzle box for yourself, go click that link in the description. We're going to first start off by spinning this piece off the top. It is a reverse thread. Once we take it off, you can see there is that triangle that you need in order to turn these pieces on the bottom. In order to open this up, we have to spin these so that they're facing the correct way. If we spin this one to face this way, we can take this corner and spin it in. Take this corner and spin it into the line. And finally this corner, and we're going to spin it into this line. If you have them on the right spot, you should be able to open up the bottom. You can see there is a handprint here. We don't have any handprint symbol just yet. If we pull this piece up here, that reveals the handprint symbol that we need. Take this piece and insert the handprint into here and spin it until those lines on the handprint match up. We can now take these pieces and push them down. And to find the next part of the puzzle, we have to follow a little bit of a maze. You can see there is a dot at the top of the puzzle. And then if we look at the bottom, all of them are solid on the bottom, except for this one has one piece that's going up. And now we just have to match these bricks to build that maze. So spin it until you find a piece that matches. And finally, take this piece and spin it so that it has a line that goes all the way down. Once you do that, you can now take this piece out of the puzzle. Flip over to the bottom of the puzzle. Take this handprint and insert it back into the handprint cut on the bottom, and we can now spin this open. This reveals the hidden compartment, and inside you'll find a little gorilla to put him on the top of the tower. To get the skyscraper puzzle box for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.